Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let us begin with today's topic, that is lines and angles. First of all, we start with different types of lines. We know from some basic terms of the lines. First is line segment. Now what is line segment? A line having two endpoints A line having two endpoints is called a line segment. Let us consider a line which have these two endpoints AB. It has two endpoints, therefore it is called a line segment. It is written as AB. This indicates that it is a line segment. Now second term is ray. A line having one endpoint is called a ray. For example, if we consider this, it has only one endpoint and we can extend it till wherever we want from this point, but we can't extend it from here. Okay? And in line segment, we cannot extend this line segment to any points because it has two endpoints. These are its endpoints which can't be extended. But in a ray, we can extend it from a point, from other end. Okay? And it is written as AB. This represent ray. Okay? Now, what is an angle? When two rays have one originating point, then it forms angle. For example, if we consider this point and it has this ray and this ray, a ray OB and OP. These two rays, this ray and this ray, has one point, originating point, that is O, and this part is angle. Yani these two rays form an angle at O. This point, this common point, is called vertex, and this ray and this ray is called arms of an angle. The arms of angle O is OB and OP. Okay? Also studied about types of angles in our lower classes. Now let's recapitulate it. First type of angle is acute angle. What are acute angles? Angles which are less than 90 degrees are called acute angles. This angle is less than 90 degrees, then it is an acute angle. Second is obtuse angle. Angles greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees. Those angles which are greater than 90 degree, if we consider any angle x, angles greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees are called obtuse angles. Third one is straight angle. angle which is equals to 180 degree is called a straight angle. This is a straight angle. 180 degree looks like a straight line. Therefore, it is called a straight angle. Then the fourth angle which we have studied is reflex angle. Angles which are greater than 180 but less than 360 degree. If we consider any angle x, then angles which are greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degrees are called reflex angles. Okay. The other angle is right angle. Angle equals to 90 degree is right angle. Angle is adjacent angles. Adjacent angle. What are adjacent angles? Now, if we consider these rays forming three angles, 1, 2, and this big one is 3. Okay. These two, this angle and this angle, is called adjacent angles. Why? Because they have one common arm. This arm. Let us see. Here, angle AOB has arms OA and OB, and angle ABOC has arms OB and OC. This OB arm is common in both the angles. Therefore, these two angles are adjacent angle. Angle AOB and angle BOC are adjacent angles. Okay. Next type of angle is linear pair of angles. What are linear pair of angles? Those adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree are called linear pair of angles. For example, if we consider A, O, B and this C. Here, this angle and this angle, these both are adjacent angles. Angle AOC and angle BOC are adjacent angles. If we add both the angles, if we add this angle and this angle, it will form this angle AOB, this whole angle, which is equals to 180 degree. The angles, adjacent angles which form a straight line or whose sum is 180 degree is called linear pair of angles. We have also studied about complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Angles whose sum of angles is 90 degree are called complementary angles, and supplementary angles, sum of angles is 180 degree. If the sum of angle is, supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180 degree. Those are supplementary angles. Don't confuse it with this linear pair of angles. Supplementary angles can be two different angles with different arms. Okay? Whereas in linear pair of angle, there will be one common arm. Now the other angle we will talk about is vertically opposite angle. We will do one theorem also. vertically opposite angles. Whenever two rays intersect each other, for example, these two rays are intersecting each other at a point O, then it forms two different pair of vertically opposite angle. This angle is vertically opposite to this angle, and this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. Angle AOD is vertically opposite to angle BOC, and angle AOC is vertically opposite to angle BOD. Vertically opposite angles are always equal. That is, we can write it like this: angle AOD is equals to angle BOC, and angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. Okay, let us begin with the theorem related to vertically opposite angle. The theorem says if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. Now, if we consider two lines, these two lines AB, CD, then this angle is equals to this and this angle is equals to this. We have to prove these 2 points. Okay. Now, what is given here? Given is AB and CD are two lines intersecting each other. Let us name these vertically opposite angle. Let us name it as 1, this 2, this is as 3, and this is as 4. What we have to prove is to prove angle 1 is equals to angle 3 and angle 4 is equals to angle 2. This we have to prove. Okay, now consider proof. Now, taking AB as AB line, take this line. In this, if we consider AB line, then it has two angles, two adjacent angles, angle 1 and angle 4. Okay? Angle 1 and angle 4 are adjacent angles. And it is making a straight line, and we can write it as angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, take it. Let us take this equation as 180. Now, consider CD line. On this line, angle 1 and angle 2 are adjacent angles, which is forming a single line, which is forming a straight line. Okay? Taking CD line, we can write that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees. Here it is linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. And the same reason is here. ठीक है? Equation 1 and 2, its RHS is equal. 180 is equals to 180. Then we can write its LHS. Then we can say that its LHS is also equal. ठीक है? Therefore, from equation 1 and 2, what we can write is angle 1 plus angle 4 is equals to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1 is common in both the sides, which will cancel out, and angle 4 is equals to angle 2. It is proved. This is what we have to prove. Similarly, we can say that angle 1 is equals to angle 3. This is what we have to prove. Hence, proved. We will do some related questions and some other theorems in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Hope you guys like the video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.